Hi, my name is Dr. Kumar Vadivel. I'm a board certified periodontist, a dental specialist, and a British trained oral surgeon.
Can lasers really fix wonky gums? Laser was invented in 1916. Its application in dentistry was first carried out in 1960 and has sustained ever since then. Laser equipment and treatment procedures have undergone various modifications with rapid research done over the last 2 decades. Laser may be used for treatment of both hard tissue and soft tissue in the oral cavity. Present-day laser treatment options give astonishing results compared to traditional treatment options, especially in treatment of gums, since traditional gum treatments are unpredictable and complex. Laser can treat moderate to severe gum diseases. Also, it can be used to repair damaged, diseased, or outgrown gums without any angst. Thus, laser treatment promises healthy gums, which give firmness to teeth by strengthening the attachment of gums.